Greetings everyone and welcome back. If you've been around this channel for a while, you will know that I have a bit of a fascination with odd lenses, especially tiny ones like the Industar f1.2 or the Fujian 35mm that I have reviewed in the past. But today I want to show you an even smaller lens. This is a 16mm f1.2 lens made for security cameras with 1/3 of an inch sensors. It has a CS mount, which is the same as the C mount found on the Fujian, but with a shorter flange distance. I couldn't find a CS adapter, so I used the C mount adapter I already had. As you can imagine, the image circle is way too small even for an APS-C sensor, and with the increased flange distance I was stuck on macro, so I leaned into it. I own a few C-mount extension rings, so I experimented a bit and found out that one ring is a happy medium between distance from the subject and filling the frame. This little guy is so bare bones that it doesn't even have an aperture system, and while it does turn to focus, it didn't change anything, so I had to physically move the camera to focus. To make things harder, the focus plane is not really a plane but rather a torus, or donut if you prefer, and unless you are shooting a flat surface perpendicular to the camera, the depth of field is very thin. Needless to say, image quality is poor and it has a lot of distortion, but I was expecting far worse. In fact, it is quite sharp in the center. While it might serve its purpose on a security camera, this lens, for us photographers and video makers, is nothing but a toy, something to have fun with and experiment with. And that is all for today. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!